Hello, and welcome to Dark Age Growing. Today I'm showing off what I got out of my potato patch at my grandpa's place. It wasn't a lot, in my opinion, but I thought I should show you guys since I harvested it already. I've been meaning to put this one out for almost 2 weeks now. Hope you enjoy. This is my potato patch at my grandpa's house. I had about 10-foot long row by 2 feet wide. I started harvesting it when the plants all were looking pretty lousy. And I ended up getting 10 pounds of white potatoes and 10 pounds of red potatoes out of it. So that's almost a pound per square foot. Some of the potatoes were pretty good size. If you want to see more harvest videos, just let me know. And what type of harvest do you get out of your potatoes? How much per square foot if you keep track? I'd like to know.